up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel for another video. And in today's video is going to be very short and simple. And if you have clicked into this video, you have clicked into this video for one reason only. You either have a trip or something coming up, or you're doing something and you want your period to come on faster, because I mean, we all have those times of the month or the times of the year where we just need our period to come on faster for something that we have coming up. So I'm gonna get this straight into the point. And I have black strap molasses, you guys. Yes, black strap molasses is very high in iron, magnesium, vitamin B6, and it helps to alleviate cramps, menstrual pain, and it will also bring your period on within 24 hours, like maybe even less than that. I want to say 24 hours at the max. And yeah, I came across this and I figured it out by accident, y'all. I actually was just taking this one time just to like boost my iron, but around the time it was due for me, my menstrual cycle to come on. And as soon as I took the, y'all, next day monthly was on, like no joke. So if you are somebody that's looking for your monthly to come on faster, get you some black strap molasses and take 1 tablespoon of this at the least. You can take 2 tablespoons of this, whatever your preference is. Like if you're trying to boost your iron or do any of those things, take 2 tablespoons of it. But if it's just to bring your menstrual cycle on, then take 1 tablespoon of this. Everybody is different, so if I know that 1 tablespoon worked for me, so just to be on the safe side, take 2 tablespoons. Now I wanted to warn you guys that this black strap molasses, if you have never taken it, it is very, very thick and the taste is not too good. So I mean, you can mix it with like milk or mix it with something to drink it, but I just put mine on a spoon. I eat it just how it is. Like I just hurry up and swallow it. Yeah, but yeah, and I thought that this was a very, very helpful tip. And I know that if it was really helpful for me, I know that there's a lot of girls out there maybe looking for a way to, you know, help their period come on faster. Maybe you got a trip coming up, a date coming up, something coming up, and you need your cycle to come on faster and let it run its course, and you'll be prepared to do whatever it is that you're trying to do. So yes, if you need your menstrual cycle to come on faster, get you some black strap molasses, and this will bring your cycle on within 24 hours, like no lie, I promise y'all. And if y'all try this out, make sure y'all come back to this video and let me know that it worked for y'all. But yes, that's all I wanted to tell you guys on this video. And yeah, and just let you guys know that like black strap molasses is really, really good for a lot of things. Like if you're pregnant and you need your iron to go up fast, or if you're anemic, you need your iron to go up, black strap molasses is definitely the thing to get. It's a lot of iron boosters out there, but I don't think that no iron booster or none of those things work as fast as black strap molasses worked for me. So yeah, get you some black strap molasses. And yeah, I just wanted to share that tip with you guys. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that self-love is the best love.